Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use and what is the use of this React icons. Yeah, let's start. So this React icons providing multiple icons like bootstrap icons, phantasm, many icons it's providing actually. Just you can import and use it actually. Now I'll tell you how to use it. Okay, first we need to install this npm package. Yeah, in my case I already installed. So just add like this, and if you face any peer dependency issue means add this and install it. Okay, in my case I already installed, so now I'm going to tell you how to use it. So just scroll. So here you can see this code, so just copy this and paste it here. Just control and space, we can able to import this, and here you can see cup is showing actually. So like this you can import many kind of icons. I'll show you how to use this. This is bootstrap icons. Okay, this react icon is like combination of bootstrap and many material icons like that. Okay, we can access everything here. So now here it's like we need to replace with some icons. I'll tell you here. I'm going to use this icon. Okay, so copy this and paste it here, and after clicking it will suggest what we need to install, I mean import. So paste that, it is imported, and I'm going to browser. We'll just reload. See, the 2 is displaying here. Like this you can import and use, and also we can pass some props like color, size. Those are all things. These are all the default props. You can pass these are all things to modify color and sizes. I'll show you how. Here I'm just going to add a color props. So color you can give pink or anything. Okay, also I'm going to give size is like 34, like that you can give. Also you can add on click, and also title ref. It is like if you hover anything, I mean if you hover the icon, it will display that name of that. Okay, see, this color is changed, also the size is also changed. Okay, if I hover, some random text is displayed. Random text in the sense it's like this is what I added, just I'll add 1. So if I hover this icon, so 1 is displaying. If I hover this one, it won't display because I'm not passing any props here. So this is how you can use. I'll give this site link URL in the description if you want to see, and you can use. Here you can find many icons actually. See here, and design and phantasm 6, phantasm 5, many thing material design icons here. So this is how you can use this React icon. Yeah, this is what I tutorial in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.